Hello and welcome again to a new episode from Spice and Easy Kitchen. We hope you are always doing well, and today's recipe is a family quiche. For the base I have potatoes, and they should be medium in size. Use 5 potatoes, and here I have 1 large and 3 medium. This gives me the equivalent of 5 medium potatoes. Now I will put them in water without cutting them. I leave them whole because boiling keeps their texture firm. They do not absorb water, and they stay compact. I will not add salt now because it will be added later. We will just follow the steps. I take a pan and add a little oil. About 1 tablespoon of oil. I have a medium onion, and I will saute it until it softens. Now it is sautéed, and I turn off the heat. I take another pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. I also have half a pepper, which is optional. The onion alone is enough, but I chose to add it. I saute the pepper until it softens. I come back after the potatoes are cooked. I cut the large potato in 2 to keep even cooking. This is just to make all pieces cook evenly. I mash the potatoes well while they are hot. I add the sautéed onion. I have 2 small cans of tuna, and large ones work the same. I add the tuna to the mixture. You can replace it with chicken or anything you prefer. It is optional, and tuna is just a quick choice. Some people can eat it and others may not. It depends on personal preference. Everyone can choose what suits them. I add salt. I add half a teaspoon of black pepper and half a teaspoon of thyme crushed by hand. These are mixed herbs for the later mixture. I mix everything well. I prepare a baking mold lined with paper. This helps remove the quiche easily. Grease it with butter or oil. I add the potato mixture. I spread it evenly by hand or spoon. I shape it like this. I lift the edges. The base is placed in the mold. I crack 3 eggs into a bowl. I start mixing. I whisk the eggs well. I add 200 milliliters of milk and 100 milliliters of cooking cream. You can replace cream with milk if desired. It gives a richer taste. I add 2 tablespoons of flour. I mix again. I add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and mix well. I add half a teaspoon of mixed herbs. It adds a very nice flavor. The pepper is also optional. I have 100 grams of cheese and add half to the mixture. The oven is preheating. I pour the mixture into the mold. I spread it evenly. I add the remaining cheese on top. I distribute it. I keep some cheese for later, so it does not burn. Bake at 180 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes until golden and firm. After 30 minutes, I add more cheese on top. To brown it. Then return it for 10 more minutes. This is the final result of the quiche. It looks great and is economical. You can replace cream with milk. Use the same quantity of 100 milliliters. Follow the same method and adjust tuna quantity. Now I cut the quiche. You can see the result and texture. The red pepper is optional. I personally liked it very much. I hope you like this recipe. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and activate notifications. Try it and share your feedback. See you in the next video.